Welcome back. Game two, Battlin. I mean, Wino took game two. This is game three, so let's see what happens.
You gonna get pissed.
I go first and
Told you.
that's not bad.
Wino,
Wino versus Battlin.
Wino, how you call it? Shot down Battlin boxer. He called
Let's see how
Monster
far
Fat,
that-
Shockmaster.
Go.
Wow, he had to be summon him.
He's something.
I know, but damn, that's damn. You see what this nigga got? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Spaghetti.
Hey, what I got here?
Who feels salty?
Who's feeling me?
Who feels salty? You feel salty? You feel salty?
No.
Y'all feel salty. Uh-oh. Really? Nigga, summoned two of them. He can't use the effect, but he don't want some video.
That's what he got set.
Smart move, Julie.
The last time I hit this, then the whole
15.
shit fell.
I check.
15?
Check.
3,000 right there. Damn, the right. Uh-oh, Julie ain't 50. Heavy. Do something.
Check.
Uh-oh. Go.
They got common deep prison.
I got my deepers and shit.
That's why I want to go yoke.
Right, go.
No cold. Right. What you gonna do here? What?
He
Ew.
tackled the rod like a boss.
Go.
What's wrong with this nigga? He attacked the rat.
Summon.
Oh, and he get oh.
Boom.
Why? Should've waited.
What the?
Wait, you should have waited. Should use that and then. Damn, did you
Go?
wasted 2 weeks for 2 more months.
Sure, I'll take 18.
Sorry.
Damn, Junior. Cut your hair.
Alright,
It should not make you think.
Summon Lashro.
Yeah.
Boss man. He had a big ass beater for no reason. And he
But and he must have destroyed him.
yeah.
Attack.
Why? Why?
That's all you have. You got no card in the hand.
Go. That's
That's a,
fine.
why?
Look at that. I still kept all my resources.
Damn, dude, I told you you should have used this first. Man. Oh, you had to, come on. Oh,
Why right?
we gotta get
Oh, you're gonna bump him up. 5.
We gotta get
You
Right.
gotta bump him up. 5.
Yeah, no, 4.
I'm like, what? Sure.
Tap. Right.
6
Comment below if you
18,
think,
right?
if you think why not was
Let me
dead.
6 and 18, right?
see. 6, 12 and 12.
Oh, he pulled.
Yeah,
Okay.
he puts them out. 12, 12.
Damn, 224. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Let's we got. You need more way forward. You need to get this nigga out.
I go.
And this game.
We got,
Oh,
oh.
yes.
Damn. Oh, God.
He's going hard.
Okay.
Fuck, I can't do it.
Ah!
I want to do it so badly. Because he bottomless.
Yo, I will cover the camera and you do it. I go like that.
They
You.
need more ways.
Nah.
Damn, you got all this all.
You know what? I'm going to go on the fact that I don't think he has anything next
Wait,
turn.
one-
Go. I'm playing around here.
Nah, you went too much rank 3. I think you went too much rank 3.
Summon.
Really?
Nigga top 10.
Do you recycle
Tom
one?
Ryan,
Oh, no. Yeah.
You know what we
I
should
was
do?
playing around, people. I'm sorry.
Should have went for Young first.
I wanted to go for this guy so badly. But he has no resources.
You need more rank 5s. Give me 4. Yeah.
Yo, take the 15.
Oh, else to me! Oh, fuck! Oh, 35.
Yu-Gi-Oh!
You said tour guide?
Damn, I haven't seen that bitch in a long time. Nah, I'm stop. Remember the comment stuff? I was like, damn, I haven't seen that bitch in a long time.
You need more.
I don't even use tour guide. They somewhere
You
around
need
there getting
more rank
dust.
4 and you see that poppy up, man.
Because there's no decks I really need except Firefist.
What 2?
But Firefist is dying. Firefist is dying.
Now I see the deck profile. They actually kind of good with the new
I
support.
guess Fire Game? I mean, I guess
Not because of the metal, but it looks like a better deck now.
is that mine? I said just putting up a wall.
Since Dragon Ruler came out, they haven't top a region.
Yodel that shit.
Yeah.
Give a fuck. Tag.
He goes only 500. He's not taking that.
You heard Yankee?
I go.
Go.
Oh, Junior drinking off.
What the fuck? He got 2 sharks.
2 sharks and a compose.
Damn. Shark's not really gonna help him. You gotta check anyway. You can't summon him.
You can.
I can almost summon them.
Ain't no summon. If I don't got nothing, then he actually won.
Maybe.
Anything, man.
I mean, I would.
He about to beat you with it. But the deck that became actually a little dead. Magician with the 2.
Tag.
Sure.
Go.
Hold on, my next draw actually.
Uh-oh. That's what he got.
Yu-Gi-Oh!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
100 cards.
Uh-oh.
Go. Detach. You can't attack.
Can't say. Oh, and you gonna lose
And you
1,000.
can special summon.
You gonna lose 1,000.
Exceed, I
right?
think.
And you lose 1,000, 2,000. No,
Next turn.
Oh. You better
Go.
patient, Junior.
How much life
You know
point you
you
got,
just
Junior?
attack him, right? You know that?
What?
Yeah, you could attack through that.
You know you need to make this roll when you attack him.
You automatically.
Oh, I didn't know. Whatever.
Then go. Take 2,000.
Can you take
How many life point you got?
He has 35.
Come on, you have to finish it, Junior. You have to finish it now.
This is Junior's last turn.
Flip.
Well, I didn't know how much he had now.
Here you go.
Okay.
You only get 25.
Yo, flip.
25?
Tag.
This game.
I'm confident.
Yo, what's that sword at? Look at it right here.
But you know what? You know what? Since it
Not
was summoner
salty.
month, it was summoner month.
Yo.
If you put him in attack, you
Yo.
go straight to defense.
Yo,
Oh, what do you think about?
throw some soda on him.
Battlin boxes. Now we coming at you with a deck profile.
Salt.
Let's go.
Snap being